Welcome to JK Concrete Polishing Services, providing expert decorative concrete in Los Angeles. Industrial and residential polished concrete, staining, dyes, epoxy floors, and more. Transform your garage with JK Concrete Polishing Services. Our expert team delivers stunning, durable, polished concrete floors that enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your space. Enjoy a sleek, low-maintenance surface that resists stains and wear, perfect for any garage environment. Take your garage floor to the next level with JK Concrete Polishing Services. Our diamond-polished concrete process adds a sophisticated shine and unmatched durability. We offer custom dye options for a unique touch, allowing you to personalize your garage floor with a range of vibrant colors. Experience the perfect blend of style and strength with our professional concrete polishing and dye services. Elevate your driveway aesthetics even further with our concrete staining services. JK Concrete Polishing Services applies high-quality stains to create rich, long-lasting color effects that penetrate deeply into the concrete. Whether you desire a modern look or a classic finish, our staining process provides various hues and designs to suit your style. Trust our skilled professionals to deliver a beautifully stained, polished concrete floor that enhances your driveway's appearance and value. Consider our metallic epoxy flooring options for a truly stunning and unique garage floor. JK Concrete Polishing Services specializes in creating one-of-a-kind, high-gloss finishes with metallic epoxy coatings. This process results in a floor resembling lava, shimmering water, or a starry night sky, offering a modern and luxurious aesthetic. Our metallic epoxy floors are visually impressive, highly durable, and resistant to chemicals, stains, and heavy traffic. Transform your garage into a showpiece with our exceptional metallic epoxy flooring solutions. For a sophisticated yet understated look, JK Concrete Polishing Services offers epoxy-stained concrete with a matte finish. This option provides the durability and longevity of epoxy while maintaining a sleek, low-sheen appearance. Ideal for those seeking a refined and contemporary style, our matte finish enhances the natural beauty of your concrete floor without the glossy shine. The result is a durable, stain-resistant surface that's easy to clean and maintain, perfect for any garage setting. Choose our epoxy-stained concrete matte finish for a timeless and elegant garage floor solution. Enhance your pool area with JK Concrete Polishing Services. We specialize in cleaning calcium stains and restoring the natural beauty of your pool deck and rocks. Our thorough cleaning removes unsightly buildup, making your pool area look fresh and inviting. To protect and preserve your investment, we also offer professional sealing services. Our high-quality sealants protect against future stains, moisture, and wear, ensuring your pool deck and rocks stay beautiful and durable for years. Enjoy a pristine and well-maintained pool area with our expert cleaning and sealing services. Revitalize your pool area with our terrazzo restoration services. JK Concrete Polishing Services specializes in restoring the beauty and elegance of terrazzo surfaces. Our expert team carefully repairs, polishes, and seals your terrazzo to restore its original luster and shine. Our advanced techniques remove stains, scratches, and dullness, leaving you with a smooth, gleaming surface. Trust us to enhance the longevity and appearance of your terrazzo pool deck, making it a stunning outdoor space feature. Enjoy the timeless beauty of restored terrazzo with our professional restoration services.